Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to log out of your shop account. If you're trying to log out of your shop account and you don't know how, then the process is quite easy. Simply launch open a web browser and go to shop.app and press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official website. If you're already logged in and you'd like to log out of the account, simply go ahead and click on your profile avatar at the top right, and in the pop-up click on sign out. But remember that you must enter your credentials to get back to your account, so make sure you have hold of your password or your login method. So that is how you will be able to sign out or log out of your shop account in a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.